Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Mahesh.
Okay. So our video installation is done. Again, I do not want to send any information. I'm unchecking the box. Click on next. And it is asking to restart my machine. Let's reboot it. Okay, so you have to touch master image one time only, okay? Or whenever any changes are required, okay? In that case, you have to touch master image only, or for any R&D kind of things, you can do that. And that master image, this is for Citrix admins only, not for the end users, okay? So what we have done, we have created the master image for the sales team. So now we have done with that. So simply shut down the master image, not required. So now simply, as you can see, this is my hypervisor, and in my hypervisor, I am having only two virtual machines. First one is my delivery controller, second one is my master image. Now I have nothing to do in my hypervisor, means manually I have nothing to create here. Now simply I can go to my delivery controller. Let me log in there. Now here in my Citrix Studio you will always find in your delivery controller, okay? So here I have got the requirement to create two virtual machines for two new joiners in my sales team, okay? So what I will do, I will click on the create machine catalog. Now introduction, you can skip it. Now here it is asking which operating system you are using. So right now we are using server operating system, which is multi-session OS system, means multiple user can connect at a time. If you are using Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 desktop operating system, you can select this option. And if you are using any physical machine, so you can use remote PC access. So in our case, we are using multi-session OS, which is Windows Server, right? So select the correct operating system, click on next. Now it is asking like our machines are power managed. Why? Because our machines are hosted on the hypervisor. If you do not have any hypervisor or if you have any physical machine, you can select this. So what is power manage means? Power manage means if you are having any physical machine, right? So you need someone to be there into your office to turn on that machine manually, right? But if your machine is hosted on the hypervisor, you can simply take a remote of hypervisor and you can turn on that virtual machine remotely, right? So this is what is the power manage or not power manage machines. And here we are going to use Citrix MCS machine creation services. Simply click on next. Now it is asking me from which master image do you want to create the machine catalog, means the master image we have created sales one, right? So from the sales master image, I can create n number of virtual machines, means whatever the application or whatever the configuration I have done in this sales master image, each and every setting will be replicated to my virtual machines as it is. So I'm going to select the sales master image here, click on next. Now it is asking like how many virtual machines do you want to create from that master image? You can create 100 if you have that much of hardware resources, right? But we are going to create two only for testing purpose, okay? And now it is asking what is the memory size for the each virtual machine. So let's make it 2048, 2 GB only. That is fine. So what we are doing here, we are creating two new virtual machines from our master image with 2 GB RAM each. Click on next. Now it is asking like in which OU, Active Directory OU, do you want to that move the virtual machines? So you can select I have not created any OU, right? Okay. So I can go to my Active Directory server. Here I can create, okay, I already created one OU by virtual machines, right? So let me try to locate here. Okay, virtual machine is there. Okay, so I'm selecting that OU. So now it is asking for the account naming scheme. So I can mention like sales hyphen desk, then hyphen hash. So what is hash? So sales desk is the host name, and if I mention hash two times, and if I'm creating like under 100 machines only, like so, what it will do? The host name of first machine will be sales desk 01, sales desk 02, sales desk 03 till sales desk 1990. Sales desk 99, right? So it will automatically create that host name to 100 machines. Means you do not have to manually change the host name and add that machine into your domain. So if you are creating more than 100 machines, so in that case you can put hash key one more time. Okay. So in that way you will be able to create 99 machines in a single go, right? So we are going to create two only. So two hash key is fine. Is there any doubt in that naming convention, guys?
No means.
Yes.
Clear, Mayur, Sushma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you do not want to use like sales deck 01 or 02, you can click on drop down menu. You can click it as A to Z. So first machine name will be sales deck AB, then BB, BC, something like that. Okay. So you will get those kind of things, but numbers are easy to remember. So go with the numbers. Okay. So simply click on next, and machine catalog name. You can type sales team, and for in machine catalog description you can mention like server 2022 with Chrome, WinRAR, or Office. So you can mention the applications, right? So like some of your Citrix engineer will be able to identify like in this machine catalog these softwares are installed, right? Although this is optional, but if you enter something, that will be good to identify, right? So simply click on finish. So now this is the automation. What it is doing right now, it is copying the master image, and once it will copy the master image, it will automatically create two virtual machines over here in your hypervisor automatically. You do not have to select the operating system, you do not have to install the applications. Whatever the OS and application you have configured in this master image, sales master image, each and everything will be there. So let's wait for some time and see the magic. This is same like, when you will get a, subscription from Google Cloud, and you will click on create a new VM or new instance, right? You can select the RAM or whatever the thing in the background. That is a process. It is copying the master image, and it will deploy the virtual machines for you in some time with the host name like sales-01 and sales-02. And also, you don't even have to worry to join this machine into domain. Right now, you can see there is no virtual machine in like no computer in this virtual machine OU. In some time, we will find sales-01 and sales-02 automatically added into your Active Directory. So it will copy the master image. It will take a while. So let's wait. Any doubt, guys? Anyone? Guys, say something. Yes,
Okay,
no.
so okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yes,
No.
Mahesh, it's clear.
Yeah, at least say yes or no. So you can see on your right hand side, sorry, left hand side, what it is doing? It is preparing one VM for sales team, right? Automatically. We are just ideal. In a same way, we can click thousands of virtual machines with a single click if your hardware is that much capable.
Okay.
So right now we are working at infra level, okay?
Sir, this is sales team. How name is coming up? Actually, sales desk. Our name should be no sales desk 01.
No, no. Right now it is picking up that your machine catalog name we have given sales team, right?
Okay.
And then after it will pick up the host name or the naming convention what we have given.
Okay.
Because our master image is sales team, na?
Master image is sales master, sir. Sales
Yes,
team.
yes.
I don't.
Sales
Uh,
team is your machine catalog.
okay.
If you can see, right now I'm unable to show that. Like in machine catalog, we have selected the sales team. So right now it is showing like these virtual machines will be added into the sales team machine catalog.
Okay. Okay. I got. From those two virtual machines, we selected the sales team one from
Yeah,
those two machines.
yeah.
Yes.
Now you will be able to see. Look at machine catalog, right?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Sales team, right?
Mhm. Okay.
So you can see two desktops are created automatically, right?
Yes.
Or virtual machine. I have there is no manual stuff here, right?
Yes.
You can see two virtual machines we have in this
That's good.
salesdex01.abc.com and dex2.abc.com, right?
Okay.
Now, if you go there in Active Directory, you can see I have not joined those machines into my domain manually, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's turn on any of the virtual machine. Let's pick up Dex01. Okay, so now basically what we have done, we have created the machine catalog. So basically machine catalog, it is a collection of the virtual machines, right? And in our machine catalog, we are having one machine catalog so far for sales team. In a similar way, you can create machine catalog for HR team, for finance team, for XYZ team, whatever it is, right? So in production, you will get a number of machine catalogs here, department wise, okay? So in our sales team, we are having two virtual machines. So we have created the virtual machines, right? Now we have to
Yes.
publish those machines to our end users, right?
Okay.
So we can achieve that with the delivery groups. So now I can create a delivery group. Click on next. So this is my machine catalog, sales team, only one machine catalog is there. And in my sales team, I am having two virtual machines available, right? You can see.
Yes.
So right now I can pick only single virtual machine to show you guys, okay? Or you can select two as well, okay? Right now we are selecting one only. Click on next. Now I have to restrict the use of this machine catalog to sales team only, right? So what I can do, I can click on restrict use of this delivery group. If you have created any like a security group for sales team, you can add directly, right? But if not, you can add user as well. So I'm going to add my user, like test user. So test user 01, I'm allocating that machine, means I'm restricting test user 01 to this machine only. That means only test user 01 will be able to access this machine, sales desk 01, okay? No other user.
Okay.
Next. Application, we do not want to add any application right now. Click on next. Now desktop. Click on add. Here type something like sales desk. So this will be a display name for that user. And again restrict that thing to test user 01. So my test user 01, when it will hit the storefront now on Windows icon, it will get this name only. That user will get that name, sales dex. Okay. Click OK. Next. And delivery group name, it should be identical. Means when you are publishing the machine catalog for sales group, and delivery group name will be the similar only. Okay. Sales team. Finish this. So now what I simply did, I have created the machine catalog, I have created the master image, I have created a delivery group, right? But
Yes.
I need some web page, right? To ask my end user to hit my infra, right? I need some website, I need something, right?
Yeah.
For my end user. So now it's time to create the storefront. And after that we are done. Okay. So मयूर कितना टाइम बचा है इस सेशन में देखो.
सर अभी तक मतलब कुछ आया नहीं, दिख नहीं रहा वो.
अभी वो 10 मिनट वाला पॉपअप तो नहीं आया ना?
नहीं आया, नहीं आया.
ठीक है. Okay, so now quickly create one more machine. And name it like storefront. Again, it will take a while, so wait for this. Okay, again we have to perform the simple task to join the machine into domain. Click on the computer name, change. Let's name it like SF-01. That means storefront 01. abc.com. Okay, so let's reboot the machine. Okay, so simply log into the machine. Now again, the similar ISO file is there. Virtual apps and desktop. I'm going to mount that. Why? Because storefront is uh, there only in this complete package. Okay, so open the file explorer. And actually, storefront is nothing. It is like IIS role, that is Internet Information Services, which is responsible to create the web page. That's it. So once I will click on the storefront now, it will show you that role only. So again, we'll go with the second option. And where is the storefront? Here it is. So click on this. Simply accept, click on next, and it is going to install Internet Information Services rules. That's it on this server. Next and click on install. That's it. Wait for a while and it will install the rule. So basically IIS, like Internet Information Services, it is a feature by Windows Server. With the help of that feature, you will be able to host your website, your web page, whatever you want to host, you can do it. Even you can host your FTP server for file transfer. Okay, I think now we have got the 10-minute pop-up, right?
Yes.
No worries. Within 10 minutes, that installation will be completed. Then we will configure our storefront server and then we will test the deployment. Okay, I think it is taking a little bit. Let's wait for this. Mayur, what is the time remaining?
2.5 minutes.
Okay. It is saying like storefront is installed successfully, but why not getting that finish window? Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, something is going on. Okay. Okay, guys. So after 2 minutes, I will share a new invite to you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mahesh.